Alright, welcome back to another one. In this video, we're going to be focusing on print quality. Right here on your screen, you see two different colors. One is blue, one is a purplish. Technically, they're both the same color. Only problem is the one on the right is faded. And you'll see the same thing in your prints. They'll look like two different colors. So whenever your colors don't look the way you expect, definitely go ahead and run a cleaning cycle or whatever it's called with your printer. Thing is, it needs to be cleaned. This isn't always as obvious because sometimes when you're printing pictures, your colors just look off and it's hard to pinpoint what it is. Obviously, right here, if it's blue and that's the only color, it's easy to see. But anytime your colors do not look the way you expected, start with cleaning. Now you can see on your screen an issue where it's the alignment. And this can happen in a lot of different ways and appear a lot of different ways. So the most obvious ones are going to be where there's a line going through it. In the right square, the top half, you'll see that. The bottom half, you'll see where it's shifting left and right. These are two most common, easiest ways to spot it. Once again, it's going to be very apparent in this example because this is an exaggerated example. But anytime you see something similar to this, go ahead and run a printer alignment. In both cases, whether you need to clean or run an alignment, it is very dependent on your printer model. A lot of newer printers have the options right there built into the printer where you can access it through the digital screen. If your printer has that, you can walk through the menu and find that option. If not, you will always be able to do that through the computer. Now, if you have a specific question about this, be sure to let us know down below and do include your printer model in your operating software. We'll do our best to make a specific video to help you out. If you feel that this video has helped you in any way, please let us know with a comment down below or a like or even a subscription.